it's Ethan. I wanted to make a quick video about two problems that I've been having, and I've also seen people in the community have this problem. Essentially what you've done is you've created a trigger, and then you want to send the user a message after they've activated the trigger using a keyword. But when you go to update this and set it live, you keep getting a message about a comment reply. So basically what's happening in this is you have it set here as a 24-hour window, but you actually need to put it as a comment reply. And then after this, you also need to add a button. And basically with this button here, you can write continue. So in order for and then once you do that, you can make it a comment reply. And then you can also input the same message that you were originally going to do. And then you can delete this one and update, and you should be live. Basically what had happened is in the first time we did this where we got an error, we didn't have a button. You need to have a button, because if there's no button, then Instagram is going to think as ManyChat you could just spam the user. So basically what the button allows you to do is gain the user's permission to activate the conversation. So once you're able to do that, you're able to create your conversation and do whatever you want. The next thing I also want to talk about is how to get ChatGPT 4 integrated, not 3.5, but 4. So you can do, for example, plus actions here. Make a request to ChatGPT. You see how I have ChatGPT 4? At first, I had bought a ChatGPT 4 subscription. When you go to ChatGPT and you hit the $20 a month thing, that's what I had originally done. And I also had the secret key and I integrated it with ManyChat, but I wasn't seeing the option for ChatGPT 4, right? So basically what I learned is there's two different types. There's ChatGPT, which is what we normally use, and then there's OpenAI API, which is essentially what it's going to be used to integrate. So not the ChatGPT, but you have to get the API. And basically how that works is you can enter a balance and it's pay as you go. So for example, one conversation will maybe cost you 2 cents. It's relatively affordable and you could pay as you go. That way you can control your automations. Once you do that, you could create a new secret key and integrate it, and you should have ChatGPT 4. And then you can do whatever you want like that. But hopefully that helps and clears up some concerns.